Ginger and saffron have been researched for their potential health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of these spices. 1. Anti-inflammatory. Ginger and saffron have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. 2. Digestive health. Ginger may help reduce bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues. Saffron may help remove excess waste from the colon and regulate the muscles in the colon to ensure that all future waste is expelled. 3. Heart health. Saffron may help regulate blood flow and reduce high blood pressure. Ginger may help manage free radicals, which are compounds that can damage cells when their numbers grow too high. 4. Cancer prevention. Saffron may help contain and even eliminate cancerous cells. 5. Depression relief. Saffron tea may help relieve depression by uplifting one's feeling of joy and happiness. 6. Immune system booster. Saffron and ginger tea may help build up your immune system